The mango tree planted by my grandpa. Dabungan na ni puro sep. Gururay kanyak. Picture na kay. Yay! Mangga.
May mangga.
Dito tayo puro sukon diba?
Lama.
Makamancha.
Okay.
It is stains. Yeah, this is my mango. Hanga maluuman, but I want it for my YouTube. Right? Ay, aray ko. Here. Here's the mango. Mango tree. Oh, tapos yung pangato.